Hello and welcome to SprutCAM tutorials brought to you by Tormach. In this tutorial we are going to be making a toolpath and then multiplying that toolpath to a square and a round array. And as you can see, I already have loaded the solid model into SprutCAM, and we are going to machine out the pocket in the back left hand corner, and then we are going to multiply that operation into a square array. So there's the pocket, and we're going to multiply it. So we'll hit the machining tab and we will create a pocketing procedure, and we're going to select our job assignment and make sure our edge selection tool is on and pick these two edges just like that, and click add and close. Now we will double click pocketing, and we are going to pick a 1/2 inch carbide end mill, there, just a 1/2 inch end mill, and we're lead in, lead out of 0.1. Our parameters, we're going to take away the relief angle, and we're going to make the depth of cut 125 thousandths. We'll take away the stock, and our bottom and top level should be fine. Our strategy is going to be do not use trochoid, and we're going to climb millet. Now we'll hit our simulation tab, and you can see the cutter come down and pocket out that back left hand corner. So that looks good. Now we're going to go back to our machining tab, and we're going to make that particular process go for all 9 of these holes. So we're going to double click on pocketing and go to transformation. We're going to use multiply scheme, a 2-dimensional array. We're going to enter 2.25 in X and minus 2.25 in Y, because that is the distance from center to center. And we're going to put in 3 rows and 3 columns. Okay, now we'll rerun that and go to our simulation tab and regenerate it and hit play. And we'll speed it up a little bit, and you can see now, with just a very simple change of programming, we have turned 1 pocketing procedure into 9. And we can do the same thing with a circular array, which I'll show you now. We'll go to our model tab, and we're going to erase. We're going to delete this. Yes, and we are going to import a circular pattern. Okay, now we're going to get it workwise, so we're going to drag a box and click it, and we are sewing the faces. Now we are going to rotate this around the x-axis 90 degrees, click apply, and now we're going to locate 0 in the middle and at the material maximum condition. Now we will click on our machining tab, and we still have the pocketing procedure in there from before. Now all we're going to do is open that. Now we're going to erase the pocket that we picked last time, and we're going to make sure our edge selection tool is on. We're going to add a different pocket, and we'll do the one right up at the 12 o'clock position. Click there and add. Okay, now everything is the same as last time, same depth and everything, but now we're going to do a round array, and our center point is going to be 0, 0. And then our angle is going to be, there's 8 different pockets. So 360 degrees divided by 8 is 45. So we'll click that, and we'll put a count of 8, and OK. And click Run, and we'll go to our Simulation tab. And you can see we'll regenerate it. Alright, and now we will hit play. And you can see the cutter is going around and around. And all we had to do was select one pocket, and using the array and the multiply scheme function, we can do a lot of machining very simply. So that's been machining with Sprut using the multiple array. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much.